Hey guys, here it is. I finally found this car. Cruz Ramirez. So today I went to Target and I saw like a bunch of those Lightning McQueen cars, these racing center ones, and there was like so many of them, and I saw 10 treadless, and then I put them back, and then I finally found this one, and I was looking for a while, so we finally have it. So I've been getting cars like so far, like those ones. That blue one and that purple one. By the way, this is how I'm holding the camera up. I like holding it through my camera on my tripod. I'm actually using my phone, so here's the back. I really like these two. I think they're on like Kmart or something. These ones, I think they're at Kmart only. Tell me if they are. Okay, so open this one up. Why is it not focusing? Come on. I tried to get it to focus, but it didn't work, so. Okay, come on. Oh, wow, this car's a lot heavier than I thought. There's a few chips like on the roof. Says Rusty's Racing Center 95, I think. Back. The license plate says CO1-06A. I think that's supposed to mean something, but I'm not sure. So yeah, I'm actually making a video, stop motion, if you saw yesterday's video. So I should use this car in it, because I didn't finish it. I only made that part yesterday, so. Thanks for watching, and tell me your favorite Cars 3 car.